In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more pages in Affinity by Canva. If you've started a document and realized you need extra space for more content, adding pages is quick and straightforward. First, open the Affinity app on your computer and load the document you're working on. Give it a moment to open fully so the interface and panels are ready. It's a good idea to save before you make changes just to keep a clean snapshot of where you started. Once your document is open, look to the top of your screen for the menu bar and click Layout. This is where Affinity gathers key document and page controls, and it's the fastest route to page management. If your workspace looks a little different, don't worry. Menus can vary slightly by version, but Layout will be at the top of the window. Next, move to your Pages area. You'll see a thumbnail of your current page in the Pages panel, typically along the left side of the interface. Right-click on the page thumbnail you want to build from. This right-click is important because it tells Affinity which page you're referencing, and it opens a context menu with options specifically for page handling. Think of it as targeting the exact spot where new pages will be added, ensuring you have control over placement. From the context menu that appears, click Add Pages. When you do, Affinity will use your document's existing settings, page size, orientation, margins, and any columns to create new pages that match perfectly. In many setups, you'll see options to choose how many pages to add and where to place them, such as after the selected page or at the end of the document. This is helpful when you're expanding a chapter, extending a worksheet, or inserting a new section without disrupting your layout flow. If you're working with master elements, those will carry over automatically, which keeps headers, footers, and guides consistent across the new pages. After the pages are added, you'll see them appear in the Pages panel. You can drag to reorder them if needed, and you can immediately start adding text, images, or shapes as you normally would. If you accidentally add too many pages, don't stress. Undo will roll back the change instantly. That's all it takes. Open your document, click Layout at the top, right-click on the page you're working from, and choose Add Pages. With these simple moves, you can extend any project without recreating your design or breaking your layout. Save your file when you're done so the changes are locked in and you're ready to keep creating.